wow. About time, WHC. Another SVR for Montana. That one's gone nowhere.
The National Weather Service in Glasgow has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Daniels County in northeastern Montana, Roosevelt County in northeastern Montana, Sheridan County in northeastern Montana, northeastern Macomb County in northeastern Montana, Richland County in northeastern Montana, until 9:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 7:56 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, showers were located along a line extending from 7 miles southeast of Port of Whitetail to 11 miles southeast of Bridget to 6 miles west of Hotler, moving east at 45 miles per hour. These showers have a history of mixing downwind gusts to around 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sydney, Wolf Point, Plentywood, Hotler, Culbertson, Fairview, Brockton, Madison Lake, Maidenville, Freud, Westby, Archer, Port of Raymond, Redstone, Vida, Outlook, Reserve, Raymond, Comerton, and Millie. For your protection, move to an interior room on the building.